Garingana wa Garingana.
I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.
That culture evolving does not substitute our culture. You see, so loko hi ku Xitsonga a xi tekeriwe enhlokweni, hikuva Vatsonga a va tekeriwe enhlokweni. We are not saying at the expense of someone else. Because there's also that notion, no, hi fane kuba na va DJ va hina, kuba na va judge va hina and all of that. That's not what it is.
No, of course it should be that.
What we are saying, in a multicultural society, in a multilingual society, in a country of 12 languages, if you include sign language, it's important that to an extent possible, when you say merit, it's very important. Merit is very important. True. Kuna Vatsonga, so I was the general secretary, Yakosat. They were not saying Hilava Mutsonga. They were looking for a general secretary. But you couldn't say, well, Lokuna J, he was Indian, so we Genam Tsonga, look Ahuma, Kufanum Genam Kosa or Msuti and all of that. You can't say because Kuna Mgwena, well, Loku Ahuma Kasatu, Hiku Aburna Tulas, Naman and all of that. That's not what it should be.
But that's how it seems to be.
Yeah, but also sometimes even how we articulate it.
Yes.
We also sometimes articulate it as our time has also come.
Yeah.
I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.